Nestled along the serene coast of Pondicherry, Ocean Park stands as a premier destination for thrill seekers and families alike. As visitors approach, the sound of waves crashing against the shore mingles with the laughter and excitement of those embarking on unforgettable adventures. The park offers a perfect blend of water-based activities and heart-pounding land adventures, making it an irresistible choice for both tourists and locals. Stepping into the park, visitors are greeted by a vast array of water slides, ranging from gentle ones for the kids to towering, twisting slides for the adrenaline junkies. Those looking to cool off can drift lazily along the wave pools, experiencing the ebb and flow of tides, or dive into the crystal clear waters to explore the underwater world through the park's snorkeling activities. For those drawn to the thrill of heights and speed, bungee jumping platforms and zip lines offer panoramic views of the ocean as they soar over the water. Adventure enthusiasts can also indulge in windsurfing or jet skiing, racing against the waves, while others may prefer the tranquil beauty of kayaking along the coast. The park even provides parasailing for those who wish to glide above the sparkling blue waters, enjoying the cool breeze and breathtaking views of the shoreline. Aside from the aquatic adventures, Ocean Park boasts a wide variety of land activities. Off-road biking trails wind through lush greenery, while rock climbing, walls and obstacle courses challenge even the most experienced climbers. For the young and young at heart, the park's adventure playground offers zip lines, rope bridges and tunnels that provide endless fun. As the day winds down, visitors can relax on the beach with their feet in the sand, watching the sunset paint the horizon in hues of orange and pink. The park offers a selection of food stalls and beachside cafes serving local delicacies, fresh seafood and refreshing drinks, ensuring that no one leaves without indulging in Pondicherry's rich culinary heritage. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a combination of both, Pondicherry Ocean Park promises an unforgettable experience for all ages.